So I come home and I turn on my new Apple TV, and I've been enjoying it so far. And then I find this bug. Oh my God, what the hell was that? Left, right, up, down. That is the worst sound ever. It makes me want to die. And that's the sound my Apple TV is making when I go from tile to tile. Let's see, is it still going? Oh my God. Wow. That is horrible. Let's see. Let me put it to sleep and wake it back up. And hopefully it's not going to make this noise anymore. You can hope, right? Alright. Turning it back on. Wow. That was horrible. That was the worst sound ever. Now, as soon as I came home, I started airplaying some music from my phone. And that's how I woke it up the first time. So maybe that's where the bug comes from. But that's a repulsive sound. This sound is beautiful. But whatever that other sound was, it's like nails on a chalkboard. So yeah, please Apple, fix that bug. I don't ever want to hear that noise ever again in life. That was pretty bad. All right, that's it. Bye.